So this is the 380FL. All right, as you see, this is 41 feet, 14,400 or 559 pounds dry, $99.99 here at the show. So yeah, we looked at the other one.
Because most of the hitches that are on the back.
Look at that TV. That's 65.
That is a huge TV, and it is toasty warm in here.
It is. They got that fireplace underneath
Yes.
there cooking, which is great because it's cold outside. All right, so there's cabinetry that goes on. There's somebody in here talking. They're talking about buying, so we're just going to be a little bit more quiet, okay? And so you've got cabinetry left and right down there. Same on the other side. Posing love seats that fold out to be a bed. So this could be one big bed. Lisa's sitting in the theater chairs. These are all electric. Okay.
Now Lisa's warming her toes by the fire.
Yes, you know, freakishly tiny cold feet. You got a little end table there, but you could also put your drinks behind.
Does that lift up? No, I don't think
I
it
don't
does.
think it would. No, it wouldn't. Okay, so we're going to just briefly look at the kitchen because they're in there talking. But you do have a dinette down there that seats 4. Okay. We're going to go to the back. That goes up. You got a coffee bar, all residential appliances. Okay, so let's get up in there. That was a half bath. We'll try to slide in there and see if they're finished when we're done here. This looks to be residential queen. I don't think this is a king, Lisa.
I think it's an RV king.
I don't think so. I think it's queen. I don't know. We can look outside and see what it says on the plan. Yeah, RV king.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think so.
Yeah. All right, has the drawers underneath so it doesn't lift. Okay. Across from here, a huge bank of cabinets, y'all. Huge bank. Yeah, you got to go back all the way up this.
I do have to back all the way
so
up, don't I?
Flanking cabinets, so it's probably the same as the other one where you got hanging and you got shelf storage there. Okay. 4 drawers. Don't forget these are all dovetailed, extra strength. This does not pull out like the last one. Okay. It's the same on this side. TV up above.
Nice.
We didn't point out no nightstands, so the power will be down at the bottom, so you have to put CPAPs on the ground. Okay.
Yep, there is the power, and either on the ground or if they fit up on the ledge, probably cell phones will go up on the ledge.
You do have a huge rear bathroom.
Oh, wow. Yeah, look at that.
Sorry, I'm shaking the whole RV. I'm sorry.
Whoops.
Trying to do jumping jacks. Shaking the whole RV. So this is another recliner, y'all.
Yeah.
All right. This
Just give you a pillow.
I'm telling you, this is definitely tall and fluffy approved. Okay. You got this really neat L vanity in the back, right?
Yeah.
His and her sinks, undercounter mount, solid surface cabinetry that goes throughout. That goes all the way back.
Love it. 3
drawers down here. You also have some cabinetry up top. And all this extra cabinetry over here is important because this over here would more than likely be the washer and dryer. So if it's a washer and dryer, you wouldn't have a place to put your towels. So you can put them in that first cabinet that I opened because it's so
Love
big.
it.
Okay. And of course, if you weren't putting a washer dryer in here, you could put your towels up here.
Yes.
Solid and adjustable.
Love it.
Okay. The shower, I think, is also going to be fantastic. Yeah. Another fantastic shower for the tall people in the world. All right. So, yeah, definitely 6'9", no problems, right? Multiple shelves, a bench, upgraded shower head with a rain shower head, body washes, handheld. Yeah, it's beautiful.
Right.
Nice design.
It. Yeah.
Nice design.
Absolutely.
Nice design. Yep. Again, we couldn't show you the kitchen. They're in there talking about buying, so we need to give them their space. I'm just going to make a general assumption that I fit in that half bath. It looked like I did, but we're going to go with it, okay?